Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing and getting into the BIOS. You must back up important data and plug in power to avoid interruption. Make sure you know admin credentials. Once ready, reboot and press F2 as Dell Post displays, sometimes F12, then choose Setup. You do this now to avoid losing settings later. Once inside, locate the System Setup or Secure Boot menu. Don't change anything else yet. Just navigate to the area where Secure Boot options live so you can act on them. You may find Secure Boot grayed out. Set a supervisor or admin password first, then return to the Secure Boot menu. Once enabled for editing, change Secure Boot from enabled to disabled. This allows unsigned or custom bootloaders to run. Make sure you understand why. Disabling removes a firmware check that prevents unauthorized OS kernels. If the menu asks for Secure Boot mode, choose Custom only to modify keys, otherwise Standard is fine. After disabling, confirm changes but do not save and exit yet. Proceed to validate boot order. You now save your changes and exit. Press F10, confirm, and let the system reboot. Make sure the boot order points to the device you intend to use. If you were installing an OS, choose USB or DVD first. Once booted, verify the new OS or tool runs as expected. If you hit a boot failure or the OS refuses to load, return to BIOS. Re-enable Secure Boot to recover, or set the supervisor password and retry disabling after updating firmware or keys. This one troubleshooting step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.